First, I'm going to put fire underneath this. I just have a bit of water here and then the washed Titus fish. So now we're going to spice it. More of salt. I mean, fish is sweet on its own. A bit of chicken seasoning because I don't have fish seasoning and I forgot to get that. I have this multi-purpose spice and I'm just going to put in a bit of it. It has fennel. It has what else does this have? Turmeric, rosemary, fennel, black pepper, blah blah blah. Of course, we're making stew, so there has to be thyme. Of course, curry powder. A bit of ginger and garlic powder. Not a bit, a lot. Oh my god. Add onions, of course. There has to be onion. Most importantly, pepper. So I'm just going to stir this. Like I said, fish is sweet, but we need the fish to cook in this well spiced stock so that we're going to have a really tasty stock. So we want the stock to taste like fish. This is going to cook for about 10 minutes. I really want that fishy taste, you know, so try not to use a lot of water to cook this. Yeah. Hi there, this is voiceover Ollie. I was talking throughout this video, but I didn't realize that my mic was off and it wasn't picking up any sound. Anyway, this had cooked for about 10 minutes and I just took that out. I was supposed to air fry it, but the light went off and here I was using Jen. So for the tomatoes, onion and garlic, I just pulsed them in this yam pounder. And I remember mentioning that apparently yam pounder is not an actual product of Kenwood, so I do not know. I do not know where that came from, but yeah, use a processor to pulse your fresh tomatoes. So I put in some oil in a pan and I'd already fried the fish and I put some oil from it in the pan and then I put some curry leaves. So I just wanted to get a bit of fragrance from the curry and I put in the pulsed fresh tomatoes, onion and garlic and I fried this. So with tomatoes you have to be very careful so that it doesn't get burnt, because when it gets burnt it will have a bitter taste, so you have to keep stirring and at the same time you also have to make sure that you fry it until that sour taste is gone. So something you can do is to keep on tasting it to make sure it doesn't taste sour. And while you're tasting it, there shouldn't be like any ingredients in there already. So I fried that until it was okay and I put in a bit of tomato paste, put in some other spices. Another way to know that your tomato is well fried is when the oil is floating on top and when the oil is not splashing. Then you can also taste it and make sure that it doesn't slap. So after this was properly fried, I put in the fried fish, put in the fish stock. So the thing about making fish stew is that it doesn't take long. The longest process is just the frying of the tomatoes. This took me about 45 minutes and it tasted so good. I hope you try this and I would see you in my next video. Bye.